Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're bringing you the best in ceramic brake performance, the Bendix Priority1 CFC1650 ceramic front brake pads. If you're looking for top-tier stopping power and reliability for your Nissan Altima or Nissan Leaf, this is the product you don't want to skip. Let's dive right in. Right out of the box, the Bendix Priority1 CFC1650 comes with a clean, professional presentation. These brake pads are specifically designed for the front wheels and are compatible with a wide range of models. That wide compatibility means fewer worries about fit. These pads are engineered to OE specifications, so when it comes to fit, form, and function, it's as close to factory original as you can get. Installation is smooth and hassle-free. Whether you're a seasoned DIY mechanic or bringing them to your trusted shop, you'll appreciate how well these slide into place. No weird angles, no modification needed, it's a direct fit. What really sets these ceramic pads apart is their advanced friction material. Under intense heat, during panic stops, or with heavy loads, the Bendix Priority1 brake pads deliver consistent, powerful braking. Ceramic means cooler operation. Less heat means less wear and reduced brake fade. That's critical when driving in cities, mountainous regions, or anywhere with frequent stop-and-go traffic. Durability is another highlight. These pads are rigorously tested to meet and exceed industry standards. Bendix has put them through the paces, and it shows. Expect longer pad life, reduced rotor wear, and minimal dust output. That's not only better for performance, but also for keeping your wheels looking clean. Safety is front and center with this product. With reduced fade and reliable braking performance, you're getting peace of mind. Pair these with the Bendix CFC1415 rear brake pads or the PRT6203 front rotors for a full system refresh. You'll get smoother stops and a complete overhaul in braking performance. In summary, the Bendix Priority1 CFC1650 ceramic front brake pads check all the right boxes: fitment, friction, longevity, and most importantly, safety. It's one of the most dependable and affordable front ceramic brake pads available today for Altima and Leaf owners. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on our next trusted review. Safe driving, and see you in the next one.